Welcome, in front of me is a OPPO A9 from 2020, and today I'll show you how to clear browsing data. So to get started, you want to open up your browser, and from here tap on the three dots or a red arrow depending on what you see in here, and go, let's actually open up a new tab, and there we go. So you can either see this little red arrow thingy thing, as you can see right here, or just three dots. So tap on it and go into history, and from here you can either delete it individually by tapping on the X like so, or you can get it all in bulk by tapping clear browsing data, and then you have a couple additional options to it as well. So the time period, last hour, last 24 hours, 7 days, 4 weeks, and all time. Now there is nothing really here from, I think, more than 24 hours, so I can choose that. And then additional settings for browser history, so you want to make sure that this is actually checked on. Cookie site data, just an additional thing that will be trashing your phone. And then cache images and files. Now this is basically all the images that get saved from websites, just so they can load quicker. So you can choose all of them, or disable, for instance, cache and cookies if you wish to. But I'm gonna keep it all on, and then clear data and clear. And you can see that previously there was a bunch of sites that I could have removed, and now they're all gone. So the data has been cleared. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.